If you want me to not read these things, then let me know in the comments, because whoa, they are extensive. But I guess it is kind of needed to, well, understand the story a little bit. So we just killed Canaan, I guess, since he had the picture of his fiancée. Burp. Guess Canaan's arm isn't good enough anymore. Wait a second. Commando. Disease, that's... Status unknown. That's not really good if everyone is deceased. Scientific. Evacuated. Disease. Nobody cares. Security. Nobody cares. Access. And the security access code. 72809. No problem. Oh, okay, yes. I remember this puzzle. Manual. Turn. Yes. We have to steer this little robot manually around, and I guess you may realize what we have to do. It's a lucky coincidence that this guy lost his arm. I mean... Ah, gosh. Like I said, this whole game is really placed like Resident Evil. It's horrible. Oh boy. Like I said, if you don't want me to read all the logbooks and stuff like that, then just let me know in the comments. I could just show the screen for 2 seconds and then move on, so you can pause if you want to. I don't know. I have the feeling that the last 2 parts were just, well, reading 1 logbook each part. Then again, I think they do calm down on that. I mean, sure, there will be lots more to read, but there are also pretty, let's say, action-ish sequences. So... it would be so awesome to have some sort of... shadow going on, I wanted to say. So that should work. Access 72809. Got Canaan active. Palm will open doors. Insufficient weight on floor panel to open door. Oh well, I guess we have to stand there ourselves. Okay. Hi! Let us save. Save early, save often. Out of cell block. This game is out.
Prisoner disabled. Medical assistance required.
I'm so glad I saved. Yeah, that's kind of the problem with the whole... Load the game, yes. This is kind of the problem with the whole Resident Evil look. You don't know what's in front of you. Now it's moving? Wow. Oops.
Halt, prisoner. Do not move or you will be shot.
Ow.
Prisoner disabled. Medical assistance required.
Oops. I guess I have to somehow run past this thing. Or I just have to get in there. Ah. Didn't see me. Good. Yeah, I want to say this game is pretty linear because you can roam around a little bit, but you really have to follow the path the game tells you to follow, because otherwise you will just die. Can I actually eat? I don't think we need the meat. No, eat.
A hunk of meat.
Okay, you didn't like that. Chamber 1. A cyberraptor. Cloning genetic alterations accelerated cell growth of DNA from a species of reptile found in the northern plains of this planet. This initial organism was combined with a full package of cybernetic enhancements. The cyberweb is being kept frozen because it is so difficult to control. It killed and ate guards Tavish and Mobarik when its daily feeding was late. It also succeeded in breaking free on one occasion. It killed and ate another experimental test subject, a regenerative plant creature. Despite a substantial quantity of plant matter continuing to regenerate itself inside its digestive tract, thereby sating its hunger, the cyberraptor still exhibited violent and aggressive behavior. It apparently kills not merely for food, but for the simple visceral experience of killing. Special instructions. The cyberraptor should be kept in cold storage until such time as the base is equipped with adequate facilities to study it properly. Okay. Chamber 2. Ah, something in there. The test subject was ordinarily a biologist who was the recipient of numerous brain implants. Tissue type test suggested he would be compatible with cybernetics. Human. Ordered by Buster Bar. After having all 4 limbs removed, subject underwent cellular alterations in order to prevent prosthetic rejection. A mutation was resulted, leaving him covered in tumor-like growths. Experiment aborted before prosthetic implanted. Subject has been lobotomized. Subject is to be kept frozen until such time as its tissue type needs to be compared to that of a possible recurrence of the mutation of the experimental subject. Oh, chamber 3 is gone. Okay. The last occupant of this freezer unit has sought and escaped. Engineering species prototype. Daedalus sapiens, a carrion eater. Cloning, genetic alteration and accelerated cell growth of the DNA from a species of insect found on the southern hemisphere of this planet combined with human DNA. Of 3 originally created, this is the last remaining one. This experiment was declared a failure because it has a heavy aversion to bright light. Also, it is always voraciously hungry. The metabolism of the subject is quite astounding. It possesses food at a rapid pace, and the full limits of its growth potential have not yet been reached. One curious aspect of this organism is its reproductive system. It is not only capable of producing very rapidly, but also through asexual means. Within... Don't right-click. Within less than 48 hours time, the 3 original subjects had become 19. Once again, we succeeded in producing a specimen that proved to overwhelm the facilities of the installation, and it shall be left to another time and place before it can be studied further. Subject should remain in cold storage. Good. A genetic hybrid of a previously unclassified species, an insectoid creature. The subject's skin is coated with a highly potent toxin. Although many animal species of Daedalus appear to be immune, toxin is lethal to all humans exposed to it within seconds. Subject's blood contains a heavier concentration of this toxin. It also spits toxin to defend itself. Subject terminated. Keep subject frozen, avoid handling at all costs. Okay. Meat. Okay, so subject escaped and gas went here. Okay.
Cryo hydrant cannot be operated while iris hatch is closed.
Why would I want to do that? Ooh. Progress. Integration. Progress. Awesome. Let's see what's below. Can we... Good. I'm pretty sure nothing bad will happen. I mean, we know that maybe some insect creatures down there, but who cares? Oh, it looks cozy. Trying to fall down, that would be awesome. Wow, careful. How about you change the camera? Thank you. You hear breathing. I'm pretty sure there's nothing bad will in there. Oh. Ouch. Okay. Gone with the wind, I would say. Oh well, I have to go to work now. I will leave with that. Like I said, let me know how you prefer I handle all the logbooks and stuff like that. Anyways, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see each other soon. So take care and goodbye.